Hello, Anki from Norway, and I'm so excited because today we are going for another hike to Månafossen. Hopefully this one will be better than the last one because now I know the road. So we go up to Månafossen and maybe all the way to Mån farm. Here are famous toilets. They are airy, but I need to make a stop here before we go. I just wanted to show you a little bit around the parking lots. They have toilets here. I think you can park and stay overnight if you want. They have some sitting areas. And actually I think if you walk over there, it's a bit slower. It's the water from the Månafossen coming down. But I think there's like some people sitting there now. But I think you can go over here. And then there is a better bathing area, especially during the summertime. You can wade up or just bathe straight across outside there. And I think there is some other hiking tours around here. But you can stay camping in the van, park here overnight and go up to Månafossen. This is the starting point from where we go up to Månafossen. This is quite easy but steep, so you will get a little bit out of breath, but it's quite easy to walk on. They made like a stairs or trail. We used a lot of time on this, but this is the good road. It's gonna get much worse. So today I took on some better shoes, some hiking boots, because last time I only had jogging shoes, and when it's steep it's slippery, so you need to bring good shoes. Now the route will start to get more challenging. It will be steeper, but it has railings, but it's gonna get steeper and steeper. But people bring their children here, so if children can walk here, most of you adults will be able. With some breaks it will be just fine, just fine. It's getting steeper and steeper, and the slope is not showing or doing me justice because it's more or less straight down, and you just have to hold to the arm handles. Handle, rail, yeah. But I have better grip on my shoes this time, so it's a bit easier than last. But this is just to give you a view how the rail looks, and make sure you know what you're up for. It's got a beautiful view. It's going to be even more beautiful when it's starting to get green. So make sure to take this hike. And I just have to show you, because some of the stairs going up here, they are insane. They're just going so steep, they're straight up. I'm not sure the video is making it justice, but it's the reason for the railing, because it goes up, 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 and getting higher and steeper and steeper. We are getting close to the top, but as you can see, it's not allowed with drones, and it's, what do you call it? It's landskapsvernområde. It means that it's because they take care of the surrounding the landscape. You are not allowed with anything motor or drone, battery driven. And this is what we do for the hike. This stunning view. It's the Månafossen. It's 92 meters free fall. That's a crowd. It's a crowd. So I guess we'll wait some. But it's 92 meter fall straight down, making it one of Norway's longest free fall waterfalls. Not the longest waterfall, but the longest free fall waterfall. And it's in Rogaland, County. And it's, I'm going to take it closer so you can see the stunning view. This is the famous waterfall. I'm on the edge, as far as I dare to go. 92 meters free fall. Beautiful. This is the place where most people take their photos. And I understand why. Because you can see straight up. The water. Beautiful. Powerful. Spectacular. This is the waterfall from a different view when you go further in towards the Mån. And now you can see maybe the length of it, how far down it goes, because we are far away. And now maybe you manage to see almost the 92 meters height it actually has. And you can see maybe I don't know if you see the beautiful, it's like a rainbow. Disappeared. Now we're entering a really cool bridge, and you can see the Månafossen even from further away, higher up. Still impressive. You can see there's some water on top there. I will show you when we come even closer to it. And I'll show you another hack they use in Norway, because this is a protected area and they don't want dogs to run loose or anything. So you have to keep your dog in leash, but you can release them underneath here by doing like this, up. Or you can make them go the stairs. But it is to protect the wildlife. But I think also farm animals do go loose here in the summertime, like the sheep and goats. So they don't want them to be taken by any dog. But now the trail is starting to get really nice. Easy to walk, easy path. Even though it goes a little bit steep down from the side, but there is a railing also to protect the animals, I think, the sheeps, so they don't go off the cliff. But a nice slow hike up to the Mån. It took about 30 minutes to go to Månafossen from the parking lot. No. Last time I was up here, I was talking about camping in that area, and this time when I come up, somebody else had done what I was thinking. Cool. But it's a really nice camping and hiking area, and it's not far. So if you come to Norway and you bring a tent, I would have done it. You can hear river coming down to the waterfall. So you will get a good night's sleep. And I smell that they have a fire and do some sausage on the fire because it smells what we call pølse. Far. And as we are coming up towards the Mån, we're actually passing another waterfall. I think this is even longer because it's higher up and coming down even further down. I'm not sure what this waterfall's name is. I will try to see if I find it when I come home. Ooh, the sun is strong. But now we are getting close to the Mån. That's like an old farmhouse, I think. That used to be from the old times. So, but it's upgraded, of course. The Turistforeningen owns it. So I think it's an art gallery at the bottom. So we'll see. Oh, this is beautiful. I really love this stone that they put out there like a bridge. Clear water. You can drink this water. It's probably cold. Nice water. And as you can see, it's not very far. It's only 1.4 kilometers, but we used almost an hour up here because it's so steep, especially in the beginning. It's going straight up. So we're quite high up. I wonder how many height meters we are. I will try to investigate that, what it says. Welcome to Moon. You are now in Frafjordheiane, protected landscape area. And you are not allowed to make fire between 15th of April until the 15th of September. It's only on places where it's allowed. But you can bathe, fish, get warm, get rid of the trash or bring it home. If you have a dog, put it in a leash. They have toilets. And you close the gate. Because there are animals that goes around here for free. They have solar power here on both buildings, I see. And it's a beautiful day. It's Easter. The Easter had started here in Norway. So, and it smelled grill barbecue. There's a lot of people doing barbecue. We will go check out this building, see what we can find inside. There should be something in the basement. I don't know what they mean about the basement. Let's go check it out. Yeah, this one is closed. You have to book i naturen, but in the basement is for everyone. So we will go to the basement and maybe visit the loo afterwards. Another one of the famous stairs to get to and from. Oh, så vi kunne hatt hengekøyer. We could have brought our... They just hang free in the nature like this. Do the camping, that would be cool too. We have that at home. This door is locked, so maybe the other one. If you freeze, you can get warm. It says that this is always open and you're always welcome. But you need to take off your shoes before you walk in. I guess here. So if you freeze and cold, you can make fire in this oven. I'm gonna take off my shoes and go up. I'm gonna go see. I have to. Quite cozy. The only command is that you take off your shoes. You can make a fire if you freeze, if it's cold. If you're outside camping and freeze, they have actually fire on both sides. And they tell a little bit of the story, what they used to live of. The last family of Mån. It's the two sisters, Ingar and Inga, in 1894. And here they just talk about the landscape area, the birds, and how they used it, where you can go from here. See if we can go up, maybe. We can peek in, it's glass, but I think it's locked. But you can actually take a hike and rent a room here. You get the key to one of the rooms and you can sleep over. Sit inside, have some fire, and they even have, they don't have electricity here, so I guess you need to bring some candles or something. Now we're gonna go and see the moon, maybe from the outside. Månafossen. Oh, there's a lot of power coming down here. And it's allowed to fish in the stream. That is free actually. Normally it costs a lot of, you have to pay like a fee to be fishing if you're over 16. Under 16 you can fish wherever you want. In Norway it's free to fish in the sea, but you have to pay a fee to fish in the waters, because normally there's somebody owning the waters or owning the land, so they demand some fees. But because this is secured landscape, it's the government who owns the property or the land, so therefore they make it free. So whoever you are, bring your fishing gear, come fish. And we're coming up to the bridge here now. They closed it off for some reason, but this is where the water, we're on the opposite of the Månafossen. Of power. And the Månafossen is coming out here. This is the end for the cliff. It goes out there and over. So a lot of power. Nice camping area. You camp for free also. So no problem bringing your tent. Wow, what a hike. We've been all the way up to Mån, the farm there. We didn't go any further, but we saw you can bathe, you can do fishing. This is the Månafossen, and this is the parking lot where we are at. And some people like to bathe here. Maybe next time. But it's a hike I can recommend. Not only is it a beautiful view, it's a bit of a challenge. It's very steep to go up and you get, but when you go down it's even worse because it's so steep, so you have to hold to the rail all the time to not lose the balance or slip. But beautiful view, beautiful hike in this beautiful weather, and it's a bit of Norway. It's what you can look forward to if you come here.